The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A magnitude 8.1 earthquake has just occurred 50 nautical miles west of the Garibaldi coastline, which poses a threat for aftershocks within the Portland area. All residents hearing this message are advised to get to the lowest part of your residence away from windows. Go under a piece of sturdy furniture, and cover your body with pillows, blankets, mattresses and other soft objects in case of falling debris. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Tsunami Warning Center and the United States Geological Survey. The 8.1 earthquake that occurred earlier today is now confirmed to be capable of creating a tsunami. If a tsunami has been observed, a tsunami warning will be issued. The National Tsunami Warning Center advises residents to stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
All right, the workday is over now. It sure was another good day. Wait a minute. Oh my fucking freaking lord! That are the damn tsunami warning sirens! I need to get them out of here!
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Tsunami Warning Center and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A tsunami has been observed heading towards the Oregon coastline. This tsunami was seen moving east at 70 miles per hour. This tsunami is estimated to arrive within 2 to 3 hours. All residents within a 15-mile radius of the Oregon coastline are asked to evacuate immediately. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio during your evacuation route. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
EAS transmission for your area. The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Clatsop OR, Tillamook OR, Yenville OR, Lincoln OR, Polk OR, Lane OR, Coosa OR, Curry OR, Clark WA, Cowlitz WA, Wickham WA, and Pacific WA, beginning at 5:45 p.m. and ending at 10:45 p.m. The tsunami observed more than an hour ago is transformed into a giant chunk of ice racing towards the Oregon and southwestern Washington coastlines after an unknown female has tried to stop the tsunami using ice powers. This ice chunk is so massive that it could possibly wipe out whole cities, obliterate vehicles, snap trees and cut power to most of the Oregon and Washington coastline. All residents outside of the 15-mile evacuation zone must shelter in place immediately for your own protection from this ice chunk. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.